Service, please. Thank you. Hey Solomon, I have a Ram 3500 diesel dually, and she needs an oil change and a fuel filter change. Yep, awesome possum. And you say you can do that today? Great, I'll be there about an hour or so. Great. Yay, you're the best, Solomon. Have a great day, okay? Bye-bye. Looks like we're getting an oil change today. Go team. Is oil change day. Ooh, let's see how much this hurts. Okay, hear me out. This is La Cabana, outside of Medina Lake. It says Lake Hills, Texas, wherever the heck that is. But, I'll tell you, everything here is made here. The tortillas are handmade. Everything's great. We were absolutely shocked. The tortilla soup is to die for. So, if you're coming up near Medina Lake, La Cabana Cafe. Oh yeah.